Hello, dear students. How are you all? I'm sure you all are staying home nicely. As you know, due to pandemic, we have started online classes so that your study is going on smoothly without any loss. So, after an introduction session, today we are going to start our chapter 1 of science. The name of chapter is Food. Where does it come from? I have divided this chapter in 4 topics so that you can understand easily each and every topic of this chapter. Also, I have made a small assignment or activity for you at the end of each topic of this chapter. I am sure you like it while doing. So let's start the first topic of this chapter. Our first topic is food items. As we all know that food is essential for life. We cannot live without food. So we all need food as food gives us energy to do work and keeps us healthy. Tell me now, have you remember what you had for lunch or dinner yesterday? For example, we have dal, rice, sabzi, roti, etc. Have you ever noticed that how this food made? Yes, by the combination of different substances. For example, if we prepare dal makhani and roti in lunch, so what ingredients you require to prepare? So for dal makhani, we need dal, water and some spices. And for roti, we need atta and water. Now what are ingredients? Ingredients are the substances that are required for preparing a particular kind of dish. Like dal, water and spices are the ingredients to prepare dal makhani. Now as we all know that India is a diverse country, not only by the people living here but also by the landforms and atmosphere also, which affects the food habits of people of different regions of India. So do you think that all people living in different states of India are having similar food habits? Correct. The answer is no. So have you even think why is it so? As above I told you that India is a diverse country. Also India has different landforms and atmosphere in different states which affects the lifestyle and food habits of that region. Let's understand by an example of northern India. First, the method of preparation of food. People often uses open fires and tandoors in the northern India. Types of oil used. Now tell me which oil we use to cook our food. Yes, some are using groundnut oil and some are cottonseed oil, etc. at our homes. But in northern India, mustard oil is used oftenly. Similarly, spices. People like more spicy food in northern India. So, garam masala oftenly used here. Now, climatic conditions. The climate is hot and dry here. So, people consume wheat product more here. Due to the climatic conditions, the production of wheat is more here also. That means wheat is produced more here. Apart from all these, many more reasons are there which affects the food habits of different states, which we study gradually in upper classes in detail. I hope you understand this topic very well. So here we end the topic by giving you a small assignment. For today's assignment, you have to make a list of food items generally taken by people of different region of India. You can make this either on a chart paper or in a notebook, and if possible, stick pictures also. So here I am ending today's session and meet you soon with our next topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.